Hi, I'm Stuart from Calby Engineering. Thank you so much for buying this blower and vac 3300 watt electric blower, and we'll quickly have a look at how to assemble it and obviously the best use for this great product. This is what's in the box. You've got your main unit. It is electric, so you would find you need to buy an extension cord that can take a 2-prong. Normally use it on electric lawnmowers as well. And then what you do is you connect the rest of it. Your first pipe is this one. You'll see it's got 2 little holes on either side and on this, so you just slip it in. It's got a little place to connect. There we go, it's connected in. If you want it in there permanently, you just put the 2 little screws in there. It'll stop it from coming out. So and then you've got your blower section right here. You've got the one arrow. If it's pointing back, it's the blower. 270 kilometers per hour. Obviously nice around the house, blow the leaves away. And then you turn that into the suction mode, where you then attach your bag on this side, clip it on with this here, and then you'll be sucking the leaves up. Remember, don't suck up stones and big sticks, because this little cutter in here is just for real dry leaves, tiny little sticks. So if you are going to be using it as a vacuum, make sure you're not sucking up a whole lot of dirt, because that will affect the actual little fan and cutter inside your product. So enjoy.